Howdy partners, welcome to a world where quick and healthy meals are not just a dream but a delicious reality. Let's talk about the Instant Pot, a game changer in the kitchen. This little appliance has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. It's versatile, efficient, and perfect for busy lives. It makes cooking a breeze, especially for us busy folks who juggle multiple tasks every day. We all want healthy, home-cooked meals that nourish our bodies and souls. But sometimes life gets in the way, and we find ourselves reaching for takeout menus. That's where the Instant Pot comes in, saving the day with its quick and easy cooking capabilities. It's like having a magic pot that cooks delicious food in minutes without compromising on taste or nutrition. No more slaving over a hot stove for hours. Imagine coming home after a long day and having a meal ready in no time. With the Instant Pot, you can whip up healthy, flavorful meals in a snap. From hearty soups to tender meats and vibrant veggies, the possibilities are endless. You can even make desserts. Get ready to say goodbye to takeout and hello to delicious, home-cooked goodness that brings the family together. The Instant Pot is perfect for families on the go, making it easier to enjoy meals together despite busy schedules. It's also great for folks who are new to cooking, offering a simple way to create impressive dishes. With the Instant Pot, anyone can make a delicious and healthy meal. So, let's get cooking and transform our busy lives with the magic of home-cooked meals. Now you might be wondering what makes the Instant Pot so special. Well, let me tell you. This wonder appliance uses pressure cooking to cook food quickly and evenly. Think of it as a shortcut to amazing flavors and textures. The Instant Pot traps steam inside, creating a superheated environment that cooks food faster than traditional methods. But that's not all. The Instant Pot also helps to retain more nutrients in your food. Since it cooks food quickly, there's less time for those precious vitamins and minerals to escape. That means you're getting the most out of every bite. Plus, the Instant Pot is incredibly versatile. You can use it to sauté, steam, slow cook, and even make yogurt. Get ready for a flavor fiesta with these zesty chicken fajitas. Bursting with vibrant colors and tantalizing aromas, this recipe is a crowd pleaser and comes together in a flash thanks to your trusty Instant Pot. It's perfect for busy weeknights or a fun weekend meal. Here's what you'll need. 1.5 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into strips, 1 large onion sliced thinly for that perfect crunch, 1 bell pepper sliced into strips any color you like, 1 tablespoon of fajita seasoning or more if you like it spicy, 1/4 cup of chicken broth to keep everything moist and flavorful. And of course your favorite fajita toppings, tortillas, salsa, sour cream, guacamole, and maybe some shredded cheese or fresh cilantro. Let's get cooking. First, set your Instant Pot to the sauté setting. Brown the chicken strips in the Instant Pot until they're golden and delicious. Next, add the sliced onions, bell pepper, and fajita seasoning to the pot. Stir everything together to coat the veggies and chicken with the seasoning. Pour in the chicken broth to help everything cook evenly and stay juicy. Close the Instant Pot lid, ensuring the vent is sealed properly. Cook on high pressure for 6 minutes. This short cooking time keeps the chicken tender and the veggies crisp. Allow for a natural pressure release for 10 minutes, then release any remaining pressure manually. This step ensures all the flavors meld together perfectly. Shred the chicken and serve with your favorite fajita toppings. The possibilities are endless. This recipe is easy to customize with your favorite veggies. Try adding some sliced mushrooms or zucchini for an extra veggie boost. You can even throw in some corn or black beans for added texture and flavor. This hearty lentil soup is like a warm hug in a bowl, perfect for those chilly days when you need something comforting and nourishing. It's packed with nutritious lentils, colorful veggies, and aromatic spices that not only taste amazing but also provide a wealth of health benefits. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make in your Instant Pot, saving you time and effort while delivering a delicious meal. 1 cup brown lentils, rinse thoroughly to remove any debris. 1 tablespoon olive oil for sautéing 2 carrots chopped into small bite-sized pieces, 2 celery stalks chopped finely to add a nice crunch, 4 cups vegetable broth, preferably low sodium for a healthier option, 1 teaspoon dried thyme which adds a subtle earthy flavor, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, giving the soup a warm, slightly smoky taste, salt and pepper to taste, adjusting according to your preference. 1. Set your Instant Pot to the sauté setting and heat the olive oil until shimmering. 1. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot and sauté until softened and fragrant, about 5 minutes. 1. Stir in the rinsed lentils, vegetable broth, thyme, cumin powder, salt, and pepper. making sure everything is well combined. 1. Close the Instant Pot lid, making sure the vent is sealed properly to ensure even cooking. 1. Cook on high pressure for 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. 1. Allow for a natural pressure release for 10 minutes, then carefully release any remaining pressure manually. 1. Ladle the hot steaming soup into bowls and enjoy the comforting warmth. For a creamier texture, blend a portion of the soup before serving, using either an immersion blender or a regular blender. You can also add a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for extra flavor and flair, making each bowl a little more special.